have you ever replaced a key fob?
No.
Okay. Any idea what it would cost to replace a key fob?
I have no idea.
On the low side, it's going to be around $200. On the high side, up to $500, depending on the type of key fob it is. All right? Now, most people, when they lose a key, they do not replace it. However, they do end up paying for it, because when they trade or sell the car, whoever buys it from them, whether it's a dealership or a private individual, they're going to ask for 2 keys. If they don't have 2 keys, they're going to subtract the cost of replacing that key from the value of the vehicle. Now, you'll be glad to know when you buy a vehicle from Clay Cooley, you're going to get complimentary key replacement for 1 year. During that first year, we will replace up to 2 key fobs, including programming. Okay? And if you plan on keeping the vehicle longer than a year, and I bet you probably do, we'll show you how to extend that coverage out to 3 or 5 years. Okay? See, I mean, this isn't complicated, but it's not completely simple. There's more to it than just showing the card. You ever seen one of these before, John?
Yes. I haven't.
Jeff. What is paint, scratch, scuff repair? Marilyn?
If the vehicle gets a scratch, with 3 inches, right? 3 inches, they can come to the dealership and they'll repair it with no price for the customer.
I don't know that it's 3 inches. It's a scratch or a scuff that can be buffed out.
If it's not-
Okay, if it goes all the way down to the metal,
No.
it can't be fixed. Okay, that requires repainting. Okay? But any scratch or scuff that can be buffed out, we will buff it out for them at no charge to them. Okay? Fabric repair. Lydia?
That comes on the policy.
You're not allowed to talk.
Oh, okay.
Okay? You're in timeout.
Okay.
All right? What's fabric repair?
Let's say you have kids, they run around, play around, they tear your fabric, we can repair that.
Okay, what if I burn a hole? Okay. What's the #1 most frequent fabric repair?
It's the driver's seat.
Not the driver's seat. Driver's side carpeting where women with high heels wear holes in the carpet. That's literally the #1 most frequent repair we do. Okay? So the carpet's covered, yes. The fabric on the seats are covered. How about the headliner?
No.
Not covered.